Unlocking potential, unlocking success, at an affordable price. Overview of Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, for Cosmetics ISO 22716. What is ISO 22716? ISO 22716 is a voluntary standard that provides guidelines for the production, control, storage, and shipment of cosmetic products. The standard aims to ensure the quality and safety of cosmetic products. Key principles of ISO 22716. 1. Quality management. Establish a quality management system to ensure the quality and safety of cosmetic products. 2. Risk management. Identify and mitigate risks associated with the production and distribution of cosmetic products. 3. Good manufacturing practices. Implement good manufacturing practices to ensure the quality and safety of cosmetic products. 4. Personnel. Ensure that personnel involved in the production and control of cosmetic products are trained and competent. 5. Premises and equipment. Ensure that premises and equipment are suitable for the production and control of cosmetic products. 6. Raw materials and packaging. Ensure that raw materials and packaging materials are of suitable quality. 7. Production and control. Ensure that production and control processes are in place to ensure the quality and safety of cosmetic products. 8. Storage and shipment. Ensure that storage and shipment processes are in place to ensure the quality and safety of cosmetic products. Benefits of ISO 22716 certification. 1. Improved quality and safety. Ensure the quality and safety of cosmetic products. 2. Increased customer confidence. Demonstrate a commitment to quality and safety, increasing customer confidence. 3. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. 4. Improved efficiency. Improve efficiency and reduce costs through the implementation of good manufacturing practices. 5. Competitive advantage. Gain a competitive advantage in the market. Who can benefit from ISO 22716 certification? 1. Cosmetic manufacturers, manufacturers of cosmetic products. 2. Distributors and wholesalers, distributors and wholesalers of cosmetic products. 3. Importers and exporters, importers and exporters of cosmetic products. 4. Regulatory authorities, regulatory authorities responsible for overseeing the cosmetic industry. The standard covers various aspects of cosmetic production, including personnel, hygiene, training, and qualifications of personnel involved in cosmetic production. Premises and equipment, suitable facilities, equipment, and utilities for cosmetic production. Documentation and records, proper documentation and record-keeping of all production processes. Purchasing and control of materials, sourcing of quality raw materials and control of incoming materials. Production processes, control of production processes, including formulation, mixing, filling, and packaging. Quality control, testing and inspection of raw materials, intermediate products, and finished products. Storage and distribution, proper storage and distribution of finished products. Complaints and recalls, handling of customer complaints and product recalls. Subcontracting, control of subcontracted activities. By following the guidelines of ISO 22716, cosmetic manufacturers can improve product quality and safety, reduce the risk of product contamination and recalls, enhance customer satisfaction, gain a competitive advantage in the market, comply with regulatory requirements in many countries. There is including a total of 07 interactive online sessions for this ISO 22716 lead auditor training. Each online session includes video tutorials with expert training, handouts in PDF format, sessions, and final exams. After completing the training, the globally recognized certificate will be issued. Course objectives. Familiarize yourself with ISO 22716. Familiarize yourself with ISO 22716 requirements in detail. Know about the resource requirements and process requirements. Understand the documentation required by ISO 22716. Understand documentation and list of procedures to be maintained, and to check them as ISO 22716 lead auditor. Get the knowledge of internal auditing and use of the ISO 22716 audit checklist. Know about the types of auditing and questioning techniques for ISO 22716. Familiarize yourself with the principles and implementation of ISO 22716:2007 lead audit programs in detail. Get the ready-to-use ISO 22716 audit checklist to perform an effective audit. Who should attend this course? If you are a working professional, a student, an entrepreneur, an individual looking for auditor certification online, enroll now. These are the dominant features of this online course, which is cost and time efficient, fast and effective, and offers convenient and flexible training that can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Discover the benefits of ISO 22716 certification at www.puniamacademy.com.